Hi. Okay, so social studies and science this week. The social studies was really just not what I thought it was going to be. So we didn't do a whole lot. We just talked about what's called a primary source. I will have that form for you. You can look over it. Primary sources are important because they talk to you about why something's important, where you got it, how you got it. Is it an opinion? Is it fact? Is it true? Is it fake? And being able to pay attention to those things and make sure that you are not being tricked by people, because especially in our climate and in our world right now, there is a lot of people who are trying to trick other people into thinking that something's true and it's not. And it's happening all across the board in a lot of different places, and it's really sad. So the primary source is something that either happened right then, and there's like pictures or writings, like the Bible, for instance. The Bible is a primary source because it is truly written by people from right there. Matthew wrote those letters. Paul wrote those letters. And then we took them and we word for word copied them, and we made sure that we didn't change anything. That's how you know that the Bible is true, because it's never been changed. It's just been maybe translated, which is different than changing. So primary source is something that is first seen, first edition, right then and there. Primary documents like the Declaration of Independence, there's copies of it, but the real one you can go and actually see in Washington, D.C. So that's what we talked about in social studies, is primary sources is first, been there, done that, right then and there. Or it has factual, complete information that is proven in lots of different places. So we didn't do a whole lot of that because that's a little bit confusing, and it's not really what you guys need to do in your standards. So we spent more time with the human body just because it was fun and it's neat and you will learn a lot. So this week I had these bones here. And so if you can color the bones different colors, like the leg bones, you can color one color, and the arm bones color one color, the spine, the ribs, the head. This is a skeleton, and this is what your body is holding your body up. And then we're also talked about healthy and unhealthy choices. So I have 3 pictures, and you can cut them out and then glue them on here into the healthy or unhealthy. And that will get you your science grade for this week. And your social studies, I didn't take a grade because it was just a little bit confusing. Next week, we will be talking about different organs and things like that. So I'll just show you real quick what we're going to do. Here's one of the things. I have a puzzle, and here's a picture of the heart in the body, and then we're going to match it up to the heart with there. So we're going to do things like that. And I got some fun little models and stuff. So if you see anything, I think there might be some like cool interactive websites. If I can find those, I'll email them to you. Okay, so that's science and social studies, and there you go.